You are following too fast problem. Hello guys, so in today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now right here, you have to go into TikTok app. And now on this page, all what you wanna do is go into the permissions and make sure that every permission here is enabled. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and now click on the power usage details. Click on the app launch right here and make sure to enable the manage automatically option and click OK. Now all what you want to do is go back to the settings and go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.